In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Find and Replace in Google Docs. Whether you're updating a document or looking to make quick changes, mastering this tool can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's dive right into it. First, open a new tab in your web browser and search for Google Docs. This is the starting point for accessing all your documents. Once you've navigated to the Google Docs homepage, you'll need to log in. Make sure you use your Google account credentials to gain access. If you're already logged in, that's great. Just move on to the next step. Now that you're logged in, open the document where you want to use the Find and Replace feature. This could be any existing document that requires updates or changes. Once the document is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its content, as this will help you decide which parts you need to modify. To start the Find and Replace process, click on Edit in the top menu bar of your document window. From the drop-down menu, select Find and Replace. This action will open a dialog box, which is the central hub for the Find and Replace functionality. In the dialog box, you'll see a field labeled Find. Here, you'll want to type the word or phrase you are trying to locate within your document. As you type, every instance of that word or phrase will be instantly highlighted throughout the text. This visual cue helps you quickly spot all occurrences in the document. Next, move to the Replace With field. Enter the new text you wish to substitute for the old one. This is where the changes will be made to your document. Now, you have a few options to consider. You can use the Next or Previous buttons to navigate through each instance of the word or phrase found in the document. This allows you to see each occurrence in context before deciding on your changes. This step ensures accuracy, especially if the same word appears in different contexts within your document. If you decide that you only want to replace a particular occurrence, click on Replace. This option will substitute the highlighted instance with your new text while leaving other occurrences unchanged. But if you want to apply the change across the entire document, go ahead and click on Replace All. This function will automatically substitute every instance of the word or phrase with the new text you specified, streamlining the process for large-scale edits. And there you have it. That's how you use the Find and Replace feature in Google Docs. With these steps, you can efficiently make edits and ensure your documents are up to date with minimal effort. I hope you found this guide helpful, and now you can tackle your documents with confidence using this nifty tool. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.